Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create an offer effect in Adobe Component or using Adobe Component. So what I'm going to do first is to draw a rectangle across this particular item here. So I'll give it a 10 border radius. So I will give it a fill color. Remove the border. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make it a component. So this is where we have a component. So I'll click on the plus icon here to make that a default state. So I'll go inside the default state, then I'll reduce the opacity to 0. So I'll go back to the rectangle. So I will create what we call the overstate. So I'll click on that, and then I'll go inside the overstate. I'll increase the opacity back to 100. So at this point, so what I'm going to do is to bring the rectangle below the option, so for it to be transparent. So as you can see, so if you go to the hover state, it's not faceable. If you go to overstate, it's faceable. So now we can as well go to the preview to see what we've just created. But before I do that, looking at this, I just have to align it a little bit, and then I'm going to go to the repeat grid because I want to bring it to all the elements here. So what I'm going to do next is to adjust. So what I'm going to do is to go to preview. So I'm on the preview right now. So to see what we just created, so you can see the over effect once I place the mouse on each items. So you can see. So now I can select, 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 and select. So you can deselect, deselect, and deselect. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.